More than 1 lakh people belonging to various communities take part in mass rally for common future of Manipur. Markets and shops remain closed. Union Health Minister JP Nadda assures that RIMS will not face shortage of funds. And India bagged 14 gold and 5 silver in SAG 2016. Vidya Lakshmi Taurangbam wins first gold in women's cycling. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I am Shalabdi Toism with the top stories and latest news at this hour. More than 1 lakh people belonging to various communities living in Manipur took part in the mass rally for a common future of Manipur organized by Amuko, CCSK and UCM in Imphal. The capital Imphal today witnessed one of the biggest rallies after the August 4, 1997 rally held in Imphal. People from all walks of life, including students, have joined the rally, which began from Thao Ground, Thangmaiban. Large number of men and women thronged the Thao Ground since early morning. CSOs, clubs and organizations made up IB members, members of various political parties, government employees, students, sportspersons, actors took part in the rally and chanted slogans like "Long Live Manipur." Manipur ki saktam kaiba yaroi, chingmi tami amatani, India government na Manipur gi buwari khangu, India government gi divide and rule policy lepu, furup ki oiba wakhalon thadok naduna apunba gi saktam chechin hansi, chingmi tami ima amatagi machani as they walk on roads in Imphal. The rally passed Khoyathong, Nagamapal, Wahingbam Laikai, Kaisampat, Kaisamthong, Yaskul Police Land, Tumbuthong, Konung Mamang, AIR Imphal Station, New Chekant, Hatta, Minuthong, MMTA Road before reaching Kumanlampak Main Stadium. Speakers at the public meeting at Kumanlampak Main Stadium reiterated that people must protect the unity of the state. It may be recalled that the government has made elaborate security arrangements and traffic diversions and parking arrangements in connection with the mass rally.
Manipur gi Jingmi Tami Kunda Minariba Ichili Nausing Purup Kuding Maxi Zati Amak Kakta Wakalon Amadata Top Topa Ikoi Manipur gi Saktam Mama Ikoi Top Topna Lajaribasi Kahel Loisia Haibo Monda Tamoi Sogna Ide Saruk Yaminage Haina Kalagalaksekibani. I could put a Maxiamata or Minaraga, Ikoi Wakal Taminaraga, I did share Yaminagini Haibo to die Koingasi, Akoi Laksabani.
Nasigi Kongchat se Lakosida Yamna Nungaiba Mafawi, Heidi, Okay Manipur se Fruit Mayam Lejaragasu, Amata Oibagi Wakana Sila Basina, Akan Basakti Malasu, Okagisi, Apunbagi Sakti se, Tugai Bangamaroi, Adugi Wakana Mafawi, Kariguma problem Mike the Tolapakanda, Mayam Pulaga, Adugi Mayok Dakoim, Stanley Bamadarkali, Sigi Wakan Lonzo, Manipur, Taliban Mayam, Fruit Mayam se. Akoyama chen batai
Chhatra gi punsida akaiba atoiba kem yarokta bagi damakta tungi mirol gi damakta nungai phanabe gi damakta si khoi yaujabare ga sigi release akoi ama toer de kana gumba matana khut thingjanba nga moi haina khalle
ngasi gum ne khoina tongan ba wakhan chattaba apun bagi common future khoi sim sai ra chummane maram di egi hay matam da de khoi se dum Nungsina daba Khetnaba, Khatnaba, Chingnaba Mam the Tore. A city Tangai Pataba, Togdaba Yadaba Tabakne, Madam de Egili from the Manahama Dumota, pull up Habase, pull up Habama, Apunba Habama, Aduni. Madam de Ekoigi Kola Manadre, mean a sun chance Loguneba. Ekoigi unity. Khoi ki kholau hek manaba da mi kana understand lobung amoy kana se khoi da tobusung amoy.
Convener of the organizing committee, UCM President Ilangbam Johnson, emphasized that Manipur can never be disintegrated and the government of India should understand and respect the sentiment of the people. He said the center must stop its divide and rule policy to disintegrate the people who have been living together since time immemorial. He maintained that other states must not interfere with the internal issue of Manipur. Leaders of various communities, village chiefs and the people resolved to protect the unity of the state.
rally si kuna angak pamong da thaja da bamong amada asuk yamna miyamna koi phajana positive response wirak pasina Manipur gi apun gi saktam ase kaidau ngai da kanagomba sakti amatana akoi malem gi sakti amatana akoi masi thugai ba ngamoi haiba sing asi amuka hanna koi mayek sing na tae masi bharat sarkar na su masi chaliba khongchara se mayek sing na khangwira kanda makha tabada akoi masel gi marakta masi tanana ba apun gi saktam da thugai na ba dum ba thausil amata sinbi ganu kanglu purumukta gi la kanda ngasi leader sing yaura kanda chaliba sina dum khangwiro akoi masel gi marakta adu gumba phibam amata leite masi kana gumba kharana makoi gi ba miyeng da haijin bani haiba se government of India su khangbi na ba haidana koi maikai de gining singjeri.
After June 18 incident, people in Manipur, irrespective of caste and creed and political differences, still believe in peaceful coexistence and unity. Today's peaceful rally clearly shows that people of Manipur stands for Manipur. This is Bhakta Tawambam reporting for Impact News, Imphal.
Several persons who took part in the rally were hospitalized after they fainted or could not walk any further. President of Janata Dal United Manipur State M. Tombi Singh was among those admitted to Jenims after he fainted. At least 26 persons were admitted to Jenims. Most of the people admitted were girl students and elderly women. Hospital sources said they complained of breathing problems and could not walk due to pain in legs. Some of them were discharged after giving first aid. Most hospitals opened medical relief camps to treat emergencies. Voluntary Health Unit Committee provided medicines and free treatment to 5 persons who were admitted to RIMS Hospital after they fainted while taking part in the mass rally for the common future of Manipur. All the shops and business establishments in the capital Imphal and its adjoining areas remained closed as people took part in the rally. Most private and public transport vehicles remained off the roads. Khwaramban Kaithel also wore a deserted look as the women vendors too have joined the rally. Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare Jagat Prakash Nadda today stated that there will be no shortage of funds in upgrading the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS to the level of All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIMS, but the grassroots issues plaguing the institute need to be addressed first. Union Minister J.P. Nadda today laid the foundation stone for new casualty blocks of community medicine and forensic medicine, maternity and child health block, undergraduate hostels of RIMS. A reception ceremony of the minister was also held at the Jubilee Hall of RIMS. Speaking on the occasion, J.P. Nadda said construction of various structures in RIMS will be completed within 2 years to increase the intake of 100 MBBS seats to 154 seats. He said efforts will be put for the redevelopment of the institute and to end the existing administrative issues of RIMS with the Government of India. The Union Minister also inspected various ongoing projects inside the premier institute of the northeastern states. J.P. Nadda also saw the condition of casualty block, blood bank, OPD block, sterilization center, ICU and operation theatre. After inspecting the kitchen of the hospital, he said the catering service for the patients is not sufficient.
I assure you one thing, that just on my return on 11th I have kept a meeting on RIMS, and surely all the pending issues will take one by one and try to deliberate and give the positive results which we can give. One thing I would like to also assure you, that funds is no issue. As far as the Northeast is concerned, for the development, for bringing to the forefront of the healthcare system, for coming up to the best possible standards, all types of funds are available and we are going to explore them. What I will also suggest is that we at the grassroots level will also have to work little fast.
Women vendors of Ima Kaithel today staged protests at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi and submitted a memorandum to the Prime Minister. They are demanding immediate relief for women vendors affected by the January 4 earthquake, reconstruction of Ima market at the same site. The protest was organized by Manipur Kaithel Phambi Apunba Loop in association with National Hawkers Federation. A young girl of about 12 years who was found stranded in the temporary market of Karamban Kaithel has been handed over to Child Line Manipur. She was found by women vendors. Sources said she is an orphan. Commander-in-Chief of KCP-MC Nongdren Khomba today drew the attention of the government to the killing of Salam Sanajawba alias Achawba at a press meet held at Manipur Press Club. He condemned the killing of Salam Sanajawba of Sadhu Yengkomang by unidentified persons at his gate on the 4th of this month and urged the government to prop the killing. He said another cadre of the party, Ningthaujam Amarjit, was killed earlier, but the government did not pay attention to the killing. He asked the government whether the peace talk is moving ahead or going back.
Asumana ikang kanghogdona machagi yumda shuti lawrakanda magi imung manunggi thabai inghang yengthinaba amadi magi nauna phangjaba magi angangdu ngamde haidana magi angangdu nare haidana magi imung manungga tananabagi tanja amakhak lawba chatkibada ikang kanghogdona magi yummaktadagi masak masa khangdaba kanagumba kharana buthokuraga lambida thongalda hekta kapamme haiba posi masigi main factor si masigi horokpham si ekhoi government gi pung chingchiningi haitare.
Thado Students Association General Headquarters submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister drawing his attention to the villages' oppositions to the government's plan to acquire land for new commercial township and smart city. The memorandum urged the government not to grab the land under the pretext of a development project. As part of military civic action projects, 45 Assam Rifles presented 2 computer sets to St. Xavier English School, Kurai Ahongai on February 4. The computers with accessories were handed over to St. Xavier English School, Kurai Ahongai by Sawombung Post Commander of the 45 Assam Rifles. Eight Assam Rifles of 9th Sector Assam Rifles extended help to the second revival crusade under Longmai area churches following fellowship at Nungtek 1 public ground in Tamenglong district from February 3 to 5. Assam Rifles established a medical booth under medical officer of 8 Assam Rifles for the villagers during the event. Over 5,000 people of adjoining villages attended the function and availed the medical support provided by Assam Rifles. A team of Cyber Crime Unit Imphal West and women police officers of Imphal Police Station investigated the video clipping of an unknown woman torturing a girl child uploaded on social media. The incident took place at the rental house of Toijam Don 32 of Thangapat Mapal Konung Laikai near Hari Khagok Makong. The accused has been identified as Toijam Ongbi Ningthaujam Memcha Devi, 55, wife of the Lokeshwar of Nambol Kongkhamaya Laikai. The investigation revealed that the girl was adopted by Memcha 4 years ago at the age of 2. She was subjected to severe cruelty. The girl has been rescued and handed over to Child Welfare Committee. The accused Memcha is still at large. A case has been registered at Women Police Station, Imphal West. On the second day of the Zilangrong Folk Festival held at Sangaipurao, Kabui Village, Ireng, Zemi and Inpui communities presented their cultural and traditional dances. The festival is organized by Society for Promotion of Community Tasks on the motto Peace, Unity and Solidarity with an aim to restore cultural enthusiasm among the younger generation. Zilangrong communities living in Assam, Nagaland and Manipur are participating in the festival. As part of the festival, indigenous cuisines of Zilangrong communities are also displayed. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam said the folktales, folk songs are the bedrock of history. He stated that the history of the people can be traced from folktales and folk songs. He also appealed to all Zilangrong people to unite together and register under an apex body.
Manipuri Koshimi Tami, Puru Mayam Sina, Chatnariba, Non Chat Mayam, Culture Mayam, Piri Bishori, Telin Mayam, Pulakana, Manipur Sa, Masidi, Mapangalam Damda, Satakle, sports, and culture. Hosea IT Lamda, Manipuri Kopuna, Manjin Mutari. Me one the Henman Gamdrasu, me get Tungu, Tanda Sankala, one day or another, or other. Manipuri Koina, IT Landa, Mangjin Tarakani.
The 65th Foundation Day of Public Club Kurai Top Khongnang Makhong was celebrated today. Public Club Library cum Information Center was also inaugurated on the occasion. General Secretary of the club, Laishram Arju, was hopeful that the library will help the educated young men in the area. IFCD Printing and Stationery Minister Ngamthang Khaokip today released the calendar and diary of Directorate of Printing and Stationery for the year at the office of the Directorate located at Babupara near Kalimai Mandir. Staff of the Directorate attended the function. Taking the opportunity, the Commissioner and the Director of the Directorate appealed to renovate the deplorable condition of the office of the Directorate to the Minister.
Maru iba makese masi koi government press na phungbani masi ki daito se am chauna do bani service matter ki khangde office khangde amma khangde problem khaido honorable CM level da bukhat naraga angamba koi ki department se da pamtho number sewa da mena se
Meitei Nationalist Party has strongly opposed the false agenda and propaganda of United Naga Council on the history of Manipur. Founding President of MNP, B. Angosana Sharma, has condemned the distortion of the thousands of year-old civilization. MNP has appealed to the people of Manipur to stay united to fight such divisive forces. Newly elected chairperson, vice chairperson and councillors of Wangoi Municipal Council were felicitated yesterday at Wangoi Bazaar Community Hall. Vice President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee and Vice Chairman of Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board, S. Achauba, on the occasion said, development and peace can be achieved when every elected member work in coordination with their subordinates and the people. The fourth phase of Financial Literacy Mass Awareness Campaign organized by Janura Microfinance Manipur under the aegis of Small Industries Development Bank of India SIDBI that will continue for 7 days began yesterday at Ima Lai Kurembi Mandap Kurai Ohongai. Manipur State Legal Service Authority Imphal, in collaboration with various organizations and trusts, held one-day legal awareness camp yesterday at 2 different places in Jiribam. Legal experts deliberated on various legal supports available by the general public during the camps. At least 42 persons were killed when a bus run by State Road Transport Corporation plunged into Purna River near Supa village in Navsari district yesterday evening in Gujarat. The ill-fated bus was on its routine trip from Navsari to Ukai when the mishap occurred. According to sources, the bus was full of passengers including women and girl students. About 20 persons suffered injuries and admitted to different hospitals in Navsari district. All nearby ambulances and rescue teams were immediately rushed to the spot for rescue and relief works. Chief Minister Anandiben Patel has announced a compensation of ₹4 lakh to the kin of each deceased. State government has taken all responsibility of medical treatment of all injured passengers. Now the news from the world of sports. First from the SAG 2016. India bagged 14 gold and 5 silver medals today on the second day of the 12th South Asian Games SAG in Guwahati. Sri Lanka won 4 gold, 10 silver and 7 bronze to occupy the second place in the medal tally. Saikhom Mirabai Chanu bagged the first gold for India in weightlifting. 2 gold and 2 silver medals came in cycling. In women's 30-kilometer time trial event, Vidya Lakshmi Taurangbam won the first coveted yellow of the games, while the silver went to Chauba Devi Ilangbam. In the men's 40-kilometer time trial event, the gold was won by Arvind Panwar with Manjit Singh winning the silver. Another gold came in women's weightlifting. Mirabai Chanu claimed the top honors in the 40 kg weight category. Manipur Tug of War Association is organizing the 10th state-level Open Tug of War Championship 2016 from February 21 to 25 at Kumalampak Main Stadium. The association in a press release said the championship will be held in 560 kg open for boys and 480 kg weight open for girls. YDCL Pungdongbam defeated their rival in the 6th Lamlai Kendra Village-wise Men's Open 7-a-side Chalo Cup football tournament organized by Chalo Youth Union Club. In the first league match today, PYLA Sekta and FC Lamlai were drawn 2-2. In the second league match, YDCL Pungdongbam Trash MYC Laimakong Mapal 4-1. Before we end, let's see the headlines once again. More than 1 lakh people belonging to various communities take part in mass rally for common future of Manipur. Markets and shops remain closed. Union Health Minister JP Nadda assures that RIMS will not face shortage of funds. And India bagged 14 gold and 5 silver in SAG 2016. Vidya Lakshmi Torngbam wins first gold in women's cycling.